right, excellent. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my class roster and I'm going to randomize the table number that I associate with each student, so I can randomize group assignments pretty easily using this. Here I've only got one group per table, so it'll be especially easy, but you can use the same method if you have several groups per table. So the first thing that I like to do is I like to just write out, in this case, the table number, or it could be the group number, like 4A, 4B, 4C, for example, and the number of students that I want at each of these groups. So I want 3 students at table 4, I'll want 4 students at table 5, and so on down the line. So then what I do is I just kind of use this list and I manually input each of sort of the draft tables. At this point, it doesn't matter who you're assigning that table number to. So in this case, I'm just going to have, I know I'm going to have 3 people at table 4, and I know I'm going to have 4 people at table 5, and so on down the line. A little bit tedious, but you only have to do this once per semester. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new column that's going to be just a randomized variable, and this will be the variable that I use to randomize the order of these table numbers. So there we go. I'm just going to drop that down. And now what I'm going to do is I only want to change the order of table B according to table C. So I'm going to go to sort and filter right here, and then click custom sort. And in my custom sort, I'm going to sort by column C. Now, one thing to notice is that the second that we sort this, it's going to re-randomize. So the numbers may not look sorted. At least that's the way that my Excel works. I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. But when I do this, one thing you'll notice, and at this point I can hide column C if I want, I don't need it anymore. But now what you should notice is hopefully your table numbers are randomized. This is pretty much true random, so you may want to make edits at this point depending on class dynamics. But yeah, there it is, quick and dirty way of randomizing table numbers.